Research is by definition challenging. I always love tackling challenges just because I'm curious about them. I am Moran Shalev-Benami, and I'm a senior scientist at the Department of Chemical and Structural Biology at the Weizmann Institute of Science. The most complex organ in the human body is the brain. Every basic activity we do is maintained by millions of cells that are communicating with one another. This complexity also what makes it incredibly challenging to study and susceptible to a range of diseases. My lab studies the structure of its tiniest components, the proteins. Being a structural biologist gives you the privilege of seeing the structures of the tiniest components in nature that are often beautiful and inspiring. For many of the individual proteins, we still lack the understanding of what they actually do to maintain a healthy brain. In a recent study, our lab worked on a protein called melanoprotein, and this protein serves as the molecular switch on and off for hunger. We used the technique single-particle cryo-EM. We used the electron microscope to determine structures of protein at extremely high resolution. That means a lot of details. Having that incredibly detailed view in 3D, we can now look at the protein and try to understand how this protein works. This knowledge opened up new questions regarding how we understand hunger that we now try to address in my group and also in collaboration with other groups around the world. We can also use the structures we got in this study to guide the development of new drugs with better properties, safer profile, and less side effects. Being a Blavatnik laureate gives me the pleasure of being part of this amazing Blavatnik community, and it gives a great boost to my career as a young scientist. If you really want to answer a challenging question, you should buckle up for a road of failures. When we succeed, the outcome is even sweeter.